All right, we just got this in the mail, and I do believe this is a phone holder. It's by AeroLock, I do believe. Let's see what we got. Get it out of the packages. Oh. All right, so anyway, this you put in your car. Wow, it's really strong. Ugh. You really got to pull on it. But check it out. This part here, you're going to pull off and then stick it. And then you take your phone, right? Let me get a phone. Bam. There we are. Look. That's it right there. And this turns, I think. Yeah, look at this. So it's got, let me show you. So here, look at this. So this will turn. You see that? So now you put the phone in there and you want to turn it, you can turn it. So it shows you right here. You can lock it here too. But yeah, that's pretty nice looking phone thing here. So if you have a phone with, you know, the back on it, it still holds it. Look. It's pretty good, right? So you'd adhere this to on top of your car, and then bam. Oh, shoot. I guess I can do it both ways too, right? There we go. Yeah, that's it right there. And I think you can go like this, and you can do it horizontal. So, bam, Bob's your uncle. And it comes with a lifetime warranty, some QR codes, and it also has this attachment. So you can put this on there and then that on top of it. You follow me? Like that. And it gives you, it's got a little like thing here that you can measure it out with. It also has, if you don't have magnet on the back of your phone, you know, if it's not magnetized, you have this right here. Bam, put that on there. I think you can even put this on the window of your car. Here's some wipes to clean the window off, and then this here you can measure it out with this, and bam, Bob's your uncle. So anyway, oh wait a minute, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, look, this is another like doohickey here that you can put on. So there's a lot of stuff there. They've got a booklet, you can read it. But yeah, bam. I would highly recommend it because it's super, super strong. It's like one of the best ones I've ever felt. Look, and it compacts into this little thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.